Anatomy of noise. Despite our many walls and fences, closed doors and shut-up windows, the noise outside, inside invades. Jerks, jolts, beeps, screeches, and knocks, street sweepers, car alarms, engine revs. The noise outside barks incessantly. Likewise, jets test and sonic booms the whole neighborhood. Shrouded in low-flying airplanes, bus honks, lawnmower, always mowing someone else's lawn. Underneath is a constant hum and haw and drill and droll of things. The refrigerator plugged in, the heater buzzing in the vents, the computer fan, clock ticking, lights on and off, and fluorescent overheads. A chorus of uncoordinated din, distorting the world electric, and maybe I wouldn't mind so much, except for all these lingering memories I don't have. Surgical power tools, eerie phantom pitch echoing of hollowing out bone, turning screws, the bolts, unremembered trauma, sharpening the noise like knives.